Welcome back to our channel, and today I want to explore the latest trends in the world of digital marketing. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that is revolutionizing the way businesses connect with their audiences. We're diving into the remarkable world of artificial intelligence, in short AI, and its immense importance in digital marketing in 2023. So, let's get started. As we navigate through the digital landscape, it's becoming increasingly evident that AI is more than just a buzzword. It has become an indispensable tool for businesses, allowing them to gain valuable insights, enhance customer experiences, and boost overall marketing performance. The sheer volume of data available in the digital sphere can be overwhelming. However, with AI, marketers can now efficiently analyze and interpret vast amounts of data, helping them understand customer behavior, preferences, and trends. This invaluable information enables businesses to create highly targeted and personalized campaigns that resonate with their audiences, ultimately driving conversions and revenue. In today's fast-paced world, customers expect prompt responses and personalized experiences. AI-powered chatbots have emerged as game changers in the realm of customer support. They can engage with customers in real time, answer frequently asked questions, and provide assistance, creating a seamless user experience. By automating customer support processes, businesses can save time and resources, all while delivering exceptional service. Content is the lifeblood of digital marketing, and AI has significantly impacted the way content is created and optimized. AI algorithms can analyze data to identify content gaps, understand user intent, and generate high-quality content that resonates with target audiences. Additionally, AI helps in optimizing content for search engines, improving search rankings and organic visibility. We're all familiar with the personalized recommendations we receive on platforms like Netflix and Amazon. AI plays a pivotal role in curating these recommendations by analyzing user behavior, preferences, and past interactions. By offering personalized recommendations, businesses can enhance user engagement, increase customer satisfaction, and drive repeat purchases. As we wrap up our discussion on the importance of AI in digital marketing in 2023, it's essential to acknowledge that this transformative technology is continuously evolving. The potential for AI in marketing is vast, and businesses that embrace it will have a significant competitive advantage. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the power of AI in digital marketing. We hope this video has shed some light on the incredible possibilities AI brings to the table, from data analysis and customer support to content creation and personalized recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights into the world of digital marketing. As always, stay ahead of the curve, and we'll see you in the next video.